Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can do a green screen on Capcut, but before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Capcut app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, tap on the New Project button at the top and select your target footage. Once selected, set its length to your preference and then tap on the effects icon. Inside it, choose any effect you want to add to your background layer, but if you don't want to, you can just skip this step. After that, select the overlay icon from the bottom and then select the green screen video. Once added, resize and change its length to your preference, and then scroll towards right side in the bottom menu. Now select the green screen video, tap on the Remove Background feature and select Chroma key. After that, drag it onto the background and then adjust its intensity and shadow. Once you are satisfied, tap on the share icon at the top and your video will start exporting. That's how you can do a green screen on Capcut. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.